program IgentBeam is a simple but powerful calculator for multi-span beams. It is possible to easily modify geometry by changing number of spans, support conditions, and cross-sections dimensions. Calculations are automatically performed after each change. Loads can be quickly added, both as a new load case or as a new record in existing load case. Self-weight, homogeneous, trapezoidal, vertical point, moment, or tendon loads can be defined. If span combinations option is used, the program automatically creates all possible combinations. Results can be presented both for single loads combination or envelope for the whole load case. It is also possible to define manual combinations of defined load cases. For these combinations, the diagrams of bending moments and shear force are presented in results window in the same way as for simple load cases. Defined beams with loads can be saved and reopened later. In this case, I open an example with dead load and tendon defined. The goal will be to optimize the cable curve to minimize bending moment for dead load and tendon combination. First, I use only option adjust x coordinates of low points to extreme values of moment diagram for reference load case, so I switch off all other optimization options. X positions of low points are adjusted to x positions of extreme values of dead load. Now we optimize eccentricities values and inflection points positions. The user can independently switch on optimization of each parameter. Program automatically calculates the number of variants for each parameter and also final number of variants. In this case, we have more than 166,000 of variants. Thanks to parallel processing, program is able to calculate it in a few seconds. We can see optimized curve and final moment diagram for combination of dead load and tendon. In this case, moments are practically reduced to zero. As number of variants can be huge, program has a possibility to assure a symmetric solution, what is quite frequent in practical designs. In such cases, number of variants is dramatically reduced, about 10 times in this case, what speeds up calculations. Beam with optimized tendon curve can be exported into Robot Structural Analysis program. Thanks to connection via API, IgentBeam can cooperate also with older versions of robot. Tendon is automatically replaced by appropriate loads, which are calculated from the curvature at the following points. It is great added value for robot users, as this functionality in a robot is partially available only for one span beam. We can check these loads in a robot by switching to loads layout and choosing appropriate load case. Loads are defined as trapezoidal and are grouped in one load case. In IgentBeam, the user has an influence on number of these loads by changing division parameter. Let's check if results are correct. I change layout for result diagrams, then I choose moment MY and I switch extreme values. Now we can see diagrams for dead load case, tendon case, and combination of dead and tendon load case. Results are the same in robot and IgentBeam, where beams calculations are also performed by finite element method. IgentBeam is the next program after IgentForm and IgentDraw, where users can profit from parametric approach and significantly accelerate their designs. Thank you very much for your attention.